Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to create a Kanban view in Odoo version 14. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our development tutorials. So already we have learned how to create a tree view, how to define a form view, and in the previous video we have learned how to define a search view in Odoo version 14. So we will be discussing about how to define the Kanban view. So first of all, I'll be activating the developer mode in the database. For that, I'll be going into the settings, and if I scroll down, you can see the option to activate the developer mode. So once the developer mode is activated, you can access all the technical features. So if I go back to the hospital menu, and here you can see this is the tree view that we have defined. So if I click on the debugger button, and if I click on edit view list, you can see this is the tree view that we have defined inside our module OM hospital. And if I click on the list view, it will open the form view, and from here if I click on the debugger button and if I click on edit view form, you can see the form view that we have defined. And if we go back here, you can see the control panel view, that is the search view also. So here you can see there is an icon, that is the Kanban view Kanban. So right now the Kanban is coming here because in the action of the menu we have specified three views. So from here if I click on edit action, that is the action of this menu. So if I click on edit action, you can see in the view mode we have specified that we have three types of view, that is tree view, Kanban view, and form view. In that we have already defined the tree view and form view, and the Kanban view is not there, but you can see the Kanban here. And if I click on the Kanban, you will be seeing a default Kanban view providing the by Odoo. So if you click on here and if you click on edit view Kanban, it will be empty. So if I click on here, you can see there is no view name, view type, everything is empty because we haven't defined the Kanban view for this model hospital.patient. That's why Odoo is providing a basic Kanban view. So let's see how we can define the Kanban view for the model hospital.patient. So if I go to the PyCharm, and here you can see this is our module OM hospital. And yet if you haven't got this module, you can just go to the Odoo app store and you can search for OM hospital, or you can search with the technical name, with the name Odoo 14 development tutorials, and you can download this module. So if I go to the views folder and if I click on patient.xml file, here you can see we have already defined the tree view, we have defined the form view, and also we have defined the search view for this model. And this is the menu action, and inside the menu action we have defined tree, Kanban, and form. So let's see how we can define the Kanban view for the same model. So before starting that, I'll be reusing an existing sample from Odoo code. For that, I'll be going into the Odoo source code. So this is the Odoo source code, and using find in path, I'll be searching for Kanban. So if I search for Kanban inside the Odoo source code, there is a lot of sample. So I'll be just opening this one and I'll be copying this Kanban view from here, Control C, and I'll be putting it inside our file Kanban view. So I have simply copy paste a record and I have put it here. So I'll be simply adjust the indentation. So once you write the XML file, make sure that the proper indentations, and try to write the files in a neat way so that the another reader or another person who read this code will understand it in a better way. So I'll be copying a sample record from the REST users model. So now I have to adjust the name. So here you can see the name is given like view REST users Kanban. So before starting the Kanban view, there is one thing that you have to take care of. When you define a view, just try to name like view patient search. Just add a name called view before that. So that's the coding standard that we have to follow. If you are defining a form view or tree view, just try to name the record like view patient search, like view underscore model name underscore the view type, view patient search. And here I will be giving view patient form, and let it be view patient tree. So from the record itself, user will be getting idea about what is this record for. So if I see this name, I can see view patient tree. This is the view of model patient and its type is tree. So simply try to give the name like this. So the name is view patient search, view patient form, and view patient tree. So similarly I'll be copying this one and I'll be updating this name as view patient Kanban. So this is Kanban view, so I have updated its ID. Now we have to update its name. So our model name is not RS users, our model is hospital.patient. So I'll be copying this model name and I'll be putting here. Instead of RS users, I'll be putting hospital.patient. So I have changed the ID, the name is updated, model name is updated, and here you can see we will be defining Kanban view with Kanban tag. Here you can see we have defined tree view with tree tag, form with form tag, and search with search tag. Similarly we will be defining Kanban with Kanban tag, and from here I'll be just doing some adjustment. So here you have to give a class. So right now there is no need of any class, so I'll be removing simply keep as Kanban. And here you have to define the fields that you will be using inside this template. So this is the structure of the Kanban view. First of all you have to list the fields that you will be using inside this template here. So I'll be using ID, and what I will do, I'll be copying the tree view as it is and I'll be simply putting here. So these are the fields that I have inside my model, that is ID will be coming by default. So every model that we create will have ID, the automatically it will be having an ID. I'll have added name, gender, age, and note. So this is the syntax. You have to specify which all fields that you will be using inside these templates. So here you can see T name Kanban box. So this is the syntax. After specifying the fields inside the templates, you have TT name Kanban box, and here you have to give this class OE Kanban global click. So right now we don't have any image inside our model, so we can define or we can add images in Kanban view as well as form view. So right now I'll be removing this one. I'll be just removing this one. I'll be simply removing this one. I have simply removed that image, and here you can see we can define different things here. So I'll be simply removing all these steps from here. I'll be just trying to create a basic one. So I have removed everything. So simply we have defined a Kanban view without anything, just basic view, there is no any fields. So right now just upgrade the module and see what happens. So I have simply defined a Kanban view like this. Inside the Kanban tag I have defined the fields that I'm going to use inside the templates, and inside the template I have Kanban box, and there is another class or Kanban global click, Kanban details UL, nothing, no fields are added. So simply I'll be going into the UI and I'll be upgrading our module. So I'll be going into the apps menu, and from here I'll be upgrading our module, and let's see what happens. So right now the module has been upgraded. Now if I go to the hospital and if I go to the Kanban view, you can see earlier there was name coming, but right now the name is not there because we haven't defined it in our view. So if I click on edit Kanban view Kanban, you can see it has been filled with hospital patient Kanban, and there is ID, and you can see the view that we have defined. So the Kanban view has been listed here, but there is nothing we have added inside the Kanban view. So let's see how we can add fields inside the Kanban view. So we will be getting details about patient, etc. So for that, inside UL you can add li tag, li, and inside the li let me search for some samples inside the Odoo source code itself. So here you can see where I can see some samples. Yeah, I'll be showing some samples. In here you can simply add field name equal to, put your field name. So let me adjust some indentations, and first of all I need to show the value of name, and inside the next li, that is in the next line, I have to show the age of the patient. Then in the next line I have to show the gender of the patient. So simply you can add like this. So inside the UL you have added name, age and gender. So let's go into the UI and upgrade the module and see what happens. So right now we can see this is our Kanban view, and I'll be going into the apps menu and I'll be upgrading the Odoo 14 development tutorials once again, and let's see what happens. So if I click on the hospital and if I switch to the Kanban view, you can see Sam 20 male. So this is coming. So we have added fields successfully, and if you click on edit view Kanban, you can see the changes that we have added here. So right now it's simply showing the name, age and gender. So let's see, we can add some label along with it. So for that I'll be adding here, you can directly give name, that is name, and this is age, and this is gender. So similarly you can give, and let's see what happens if I upgrade the module again. So I'll be going into the apps menu, and from the apps menu I'll be upgrading the module. So if you haven't got this module, simply you can download it from the Odoo App Store, or you can get it from our GitHub repository. So if I switch to the list view, you can see name Sam, age 20, gender male. So this is how simply you can define a Kanban view in Odoo. So if you click on edit view Kanban, all the codes that we have written will be listed here. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions regarding our video, don't hesitate to comment it out or reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and don't hesitate to connect us over the social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. So that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.